Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Cerave Diabetic Cream is probably one of the most sought-after moisturizers for people with diabetes who struggle with dry, cracked skin, offering a unique blend of ingredients to combat the specific challenges of diabetic skin. In this video, we will deep dive into this product and explore whether it lives up to the hype, examining its pros, cons, and overall effectiveness for managing diabetic dry skin. Number 5. Cerave Moisturizing Cream. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and MVE technology to keep your skin hydrated all day and night. Experience a rich, velvety texture that absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth without any greasy residue. Dry, itchy, flaky skin? It helps replenish ceramides, which are essential for healthy skin. This cream provides the hydration your dry skin needs, leaving it feeling comfortable and healthy. It's suitable for both face and body, even as a hand cream. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, allergy-tested, and non-comedogenic, making it gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It even holds the NEA seal of acceptance. This cream contains 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 2, that help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. Ceramides make up 50% of your skin's lipids, so replenishing them is key to healthy skin. It's created with dermatologists to ensure it's effective and safe for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. You can trust it to deliver results. What we like? It provides long-lasting hydration with its rich, velvety texture that absorbs quickly. If you have dry skin and want a rich cream that won't leave a greasy feeling, you should consider this. It's perfect for all-day moisture without the stickiness, making it ideal for daily use on your face and body. What people say? It works perfectly. The texture is soft, absorbs quickly, and most importantly, doesn't leave a greasy feeling. It provides excellent hydration with no fragrance or unnecessary additives. You can feel the difference after use, and it lasts for hours. It's a very thick yet smooth lotion. It's very moisturizing and lasts for hours. It soaks right into your skin and is easy to apply. My skin never burns or itches using this. Number 4. Cerave Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This lotion has a smooth, lightweight texture that absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated without any greasiness. It contains hyaluronic acid to help retain your skin's natural moisture and MVE technology for all-day hydration. It's been awarded the National Eczema Association Seal of Acceptance. It's fragrance-free, allergy-tested, and non-comedogenic, making it suitable for face, body, and hands. It includes ceramides 1, 3, and 6, 2, which are naturally found in skin and help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. Cerave is created with dermatologists, offering options for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. What we like? This lotion offers long-lasting hydration with a lightweight feel that absorbs quickly. If you are looking for a daily moisturizer that won't clog pores, this is a great option. Its lightweight formula makes it perfect for everyday use without feeling heavy or greasy. What people say? The lightweight texture absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling smooth, hydrated, and never greasy. It instantly provides that boost of moisture without any heavy or sticky feeling. It doesn't contain fragrance. It is lightweight and gentle. It layers really well with other skincare products. The texture is lightweight but rich enough to handle seriously dry patches. It absorbs quickly, no greasy residue, so you can get dressed right after applying it without feeling sticky. The hyaluronic acid works wonders for locking in moisture, and the ceramides keep your skin barrier happy and intact. Number 3. Cerave Hydrating Cleanser. Start your day with a gentle cleanse that hydrates without stripping your skin's natural moisture. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin for all-day comfort. This non-foaming cleanser is perfect for dry and sensitive skin. Its lotion-like texture feels soothing and leaves your skin feeling soft and healthy. It's also fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. It's more than just a facial cleanser. Use it on your face, body, or even as a hand wash. It's suitable for daily use, morning and night. This cleanser contains ceramides 1, 3, and 6, 2, which are essential for maintaining your skin's natural barrier. These ceramides help to keep your skin hydrated and protected. It's formulated with dermatologists and is suitable for a variety of skin types, including dry, sensitive, and eczema-prone skin. It's the #1 dermatologist-recommended skincare brand. What we like. It's a hydrating, non-foaming cleanser that's gentle on even the most sensitive skin. If you have dry or sensitive skin and need a cleanser that won't strip away your skin's natural moisture, this is the one for you. Its creamy texture cleanses effectively without leaving your skin feeling tight or dry. What people say. The creamy, non-foaming formula glides smoothly over the skin, making it perfect for morning and evening routines. It doesn't leave a tight or uncomfortable feeling after use, which is a big win for dry skin types. It cleanses without stripping moisture, leaving my face feeling soft and hydrated. The formula is fragrance-free and packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which help keep my skin healthy. Number 2. Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Cream. This is Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Cream, designed for very dry skin. It provides long-lasting hydration and helps your skin look and feel its best. Experience 48 hours of continuous moisture. It's the perfect solution for dry, uncomfortable skin. This rich cream is formulated with ceramides, 3 and natural moisturizing factors. These help to repair and protect your skin's natural barrier. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, leaving your skin soft and smooth. You'll love how it feels. It's fragrance-free, dye-free, and paraben-free, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Use it daily for optimal results. This large 16-ounce jar provides plenty of cream for daily use. You'll have long-lasting hydration for weeks. What we like. It provides long-lasting hydration for up to 48 hours with a lightweight, fast-absorbing formula. If you need intense moisturization that won't leave a heavy residue, this is your best bet. It's ideal for those with very dry skin who want long-lasting relief without the greasy feel. What people say. The consistency is perfect and absorbs well. It truly does moisturize so well, leaving one's skin so soft. Nice thick cream that moisturizes the hands, feet, and skin. Not sticky and works well. If you have really dry skin, this is the best cream I have ever used. It keeps my skin smooth and looking great. Works well on the face, arms, and legs. A small amount goes a long way. Number 1. Cerave Soothing Body Wash. This body wash is specially formulated for dry, sensitive, and eczema-prone skin. It's gentle enough for everyday use and leaves your skin feeling nourished and soft. It contains omega oils to soothe and moisturize, hyaluronic acid to retain moisture, and niacinamide to calm irritated skin. These ingredients work together to help restore your skin's natural barrier. Gently massage it into your skin using a washcloth or loofah. Its thin consistency makes it easy to apply and rinse. It's perfect for those with eczema. For best results, pair it with Cerave Moisturizing Cream for itch relief. It's formulated with 3 essential ceramides to help restore and maintain your skin's natural protective barrier. Ceramides are naturally found in the skin and are key to healthy skin. It's developed with dermatologists and accepted by the National Eczema Association. It's also fragrance-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and non-comedogenic. What we like. This body wash is designed to soothe and hydrate dry, sensitive, or eczema-prone skin. If you are looking for a gentle cleanser that won't irritate your skin, this is a great choice. It's formulated with soothing ingredients and is perfect for those with sensitive skin conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.